Most tablets feel exactly the same design, same performance, same experience. But after testing a lot of tablets over the years, some expensive, some affordable, this one actually surprised me. And in this video, I'm going to show you why. Not specs on paper, real world usage, but feels different and who this tablet actually makes sense for. Hey everyone, welcome back to Maditechs. Before we start, quick clarification. This video is sponsored, but everything you are about to see is based on real testing and real daily use. I don't hype products just because they're sent to me, and if something feels average, I'll say it. So let's talk about why OSCALpad 200 didn't feel average. The first thing I noticed wasn't speed. It wasn't the screen size, it was how balanced everything felt. Many tablets try to be either very cheap but frustrating to use or very powerful but overpriced. This one sits in a very interesting middle ground. It feels responsive in every task, switching apps, browsing, watching videos, light multitasking without that cheap-like feeling that a lot of tablets still have. And before we go further, I need to mention something that really surprised me. What comes inside the box? You don't just get a tablet. In the box, you get a protective case, a full keyboard, a mouse, a pen, tempered glass, charger, and cable. This is not normal anymore. More tablets give you the device and then you pay extra for everything else. Here, you are basically ready to work or study the moment you open the box. And this already changes the value completely. The display is another area where it surprised me. It's large, clear, and comfortable for long sessions. Whether you are watching YouTube, reading, answering emails, or using it for work or study, text looks clear, video looks sharp, and most importantly, your eyes don't get tired quickly. This is the king of a screen you can actually use for hours, not just 5 minutes at a time. Now let's talk about performance, and I want to be very clear here. This is not a gaming monster tablet. It's not trying to compete with the ultra premium devices, but for what most people actually do, apps, multitasking, streaming, browsing, productivity, it performs consistently well. Apps open smoothly, switching feels stable, and the system doesn't feel overloaded after a few minutes like many tablets do. Battery life is another strong point. In real use, not lab test, it easily lasts through a full day of mixed usage. That means watching content, browsing, light work, messaging without constantly worrying about charging. And honestly, that's what most people care about. So who is the tablet actually for? If you are a student, someone working remotely, someone who wants a reliable tablet for everyday use, or someone tired of tablets that feel slow or overpriced, this makes a lot of sense. It's especially good if you want something that just works without needing to think about it. Of course, no tablet is perfect. If you are looking for heavy gaming, advanced video editing, or a full laptop replacement, this may not be the right choice. But that's not what it's designed for. Most tablets feel the same. This one doesn't because it focuses on what actually matters in daily use. If you're tired of tablets that look good on paper but feel disappointing in real life, this is definitely one worth considering. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps the channel. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll read and reply to all of them. And don't forget to subscribe to Maditechs for honest tech reviews without the hype. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.